scraped up just enough dough to fill up the tank and to give her a go. Yeah, now we packed up guitars and those fiddles too. Put her in gear and we cut it on loose. Headed down south on that old 101 to the city of angels in that setting sun. And we did it double time, no rest for the wicked on the road by 5, yeah. Played in a desert that looked like snow. Now we're off to Texas for a slew of shows. And that Texas crowd sings the words out loud, 'cause the lyrics hit home and they gone